In Kashmir, people are being killed, people are dying, innocent people that haven't done anything. People are being shot. There's a whole blackout. No one knows what's happening. We're here to show solidarity with the people that are living in Kashmir. We're both fully from Kashmir, and our family relatives have been shot, have been killed. People in our village, and we're here because we want to show solidarity, and we're outside the Pakistan embassy to get to understand that what they're doing is not okay.
कश्मीर हमारा छोड़ दो, गैर मुल्की फौजियों, कश्मीर हमारा छोड़ दो, गैर मुल्की फौजियों, कश्मीर हमारा छोड़ दो। आजादी, जोर से बोलो, ये हक हमारा, आजादी, हम क्या चाहते, आजादी, जोर से बोलो।